Hi class, this is Professor McGee and I am here to give you some advice for your peer review. This advice that I'm going to give you and actually it's not just advice, it's really the grading, a grading issue. So it's advice if you want to get full points. This goes for every peer review that we do throughout the term. Okay, so the first thing that you must do is that you must look at the feedback I gave you on your design that you submitted. Giving you feedback on your designs right away is my grading priority. I prioritize this class and doing that over every other class. So I really work hard to get you that feedback early so that you have time to make revisions before you're posting to this peer review. There's no point in you posting something that I'm already telling you, well, that your alignment is off here. You're not going to then go put something that your alignment is off just for your peer reviewers to say your alignment's off. I mean, that's really a waste, and you won't get points if you do that. So you'll lose the 20 points for that. So don't do that. Make sure you make any of the revisions. And look, you know, there are times when you might say, well, I like that. And I might say, okay, that's an agree to disagree. 2D is how I kind of abbreviate that, and that's okay. Like, color is very subjective, but if I'm telling you your alignment doesn't look right, or something, you really do need to address it. And I will also then, when I don't actually participate in this discussion board, I will give you feedback on your peer reviews and on your final design in the grade book. So I do this from the grade book, and therefore I ask you to please work with me and be sure to label, so Amanda will go to Timothy's thread and she'll reply to it, but I would like for you to label that reply Amanda reviewing Timothy, or just put it at the very top inside. I need to know who you are reviewing, okay, because I can't always tell when I'm in the grade book, okay? And then make sure you answer all the questions and then read what the person wrote and really be honest and try to be helpful about what they did in the design and what could possibly be improved. The other little quick tip I want to give you guys here is when you are posting your post, when you copy and paste from Word or Google Doc, sometimes the formatting gets in here and gets messed up. So what you want to do before you post it, make sure you either preview it, and if you can't see all of the text, or if it's going all the way far to the right, that just doesn't look right. So what you want to fix that before you post it. So then, or if you can post it, you can come back in on these and edit it. But then what you would do is just highlight your text, all of it, right? And then come up here and there's a little eraser that will remove the formatting, and that will fix it for you. And then don't worry if you don't have like all the numbers and bullets, as long as it's in paragraphs and it looks good. You don't have to go in and do a lot of reformatting. I give you a lot of leeway, but it needs to be readable from the screen. Otherwise it makes it hard for people to read it and review it and really engage with it. Okay, so that is my discussion board peer review tips. If you have any questions, please reach out, and I'm really excited to see what you guys do with your designs. Okay, and again, if you have any questions, just let me know.